Last day, it was a very good day. I awoke late in the morning because it was Sunday, so I have not to go to the coaching institute of English where I am learning spoken English course for Embassy of English Institute, English Embassy Institute. But after that, I went to Sachin and uh, talk about the interview that he gave, and he talk about the packages of Instamart, and then we talk about what are the various kind of possibility that we can earn as much as that amount. We were talking about that, and after that I recorded some videos for myself, for personal growth of myself, and listening podcast of English speaker, native English speaker, so that I can understand their language and inculcate in my daily habits. And he was saying that learning English can be a very stupidest of the work, but if we have dedication, if we have willingness, if you are if you are perseverance, you can easily conquer the speaking English practice. The only thing you have to do, just like you go to the gym and you do a workout of only hand and biceps and shoulders, and you always avoid your leg day. So, how are your legs going to be? They are going to be weak. And if you're training each and every day, each week, you are training your upper body, you are training your muscles of shoulder, you are training muscles of your arms. That what is going to be? Ultimately, the thing that you are training, the muscle you are focusing on, will going to improve just like that in English. There are some difficulties in English speaking English, but we can conquer it very beautifully by applying all the methods, all the related things. And most important thing here is practice. If you are not going to practice English every day, you have to speak English in your environment. You should speak English in your daily meetings, con calls that you attend every day. You can call a friend of yours who is very proficient, sorry, who is very fluent and proficient in English. You can talk to him about what are the future goals, what are the daily activities that he has been doing. These are the things that you can talk to him. And after that, I went to the job. I met Sadab, my former assistant store manager of Shalimar Bagh. He was talking about how the performance of this store was on the peak when he was the assistant store manager and Ankur was a store manager. And he was also telling about a blame game has been played on him, that many people were referring the riders and earning the amount. They were earning the amount, but the case was done with few of them. And uh, he was he was saying that he was not very bootlicker of the senior that were present. He was only saying that I have made my identity in my own category and in my own persona, in my own colleagues, and I have make my name in the lower descendant of, sorry, I used the wrong word, descendant, in the lower employees that were part of the team. He was really engaging with all the team that he has been working with, and they were supplying, they were giving him the best results because he was solving their problem very efficiently. And if you are going to solve the problems of the your community and community, if you are solving the problems or your colleagues who are working with you, he will be always prefer you over others. And at the same time, Prem Singh was saying that uh, you are remembered here very much. I thought about in my mind that if you are thought of if the peoples here are thinking about other another man, then you must not work. You are not must, sorry, you must not working. You are not working at the store properly, and you are not fulfilling your duties properly. This can be very not good for you. As you analyze, he has some psychological Problem not I don't can say sorry for that. I can't say that a psychological problem, but it is a mindset problem. He can understand what are the problems of we've been facing, and we can challenge as the today's matter I can discuss. Kapil Gupta and Deepak were consistently focusing on that these are the activities he has been doing are not good, and he has stored his very poor in performance data. You are a store manager, you can provide the RCA for that root cause analysis. Have you done that? Have you counted what the complaints? Who are the defaulter person here? Have you shoot a mail against them? If they are not listening to these activities, shoot a mail against them. This can be very not very good for you if you are not doing so. Yeah, there are various reasons the inventory has been relocated on the different parts, different area, and if you are not able to move that inventory in separate area, how are you going to do that for? How are you not going to do that? It will be very really difficult for you if you are not providing justice and RCA for that. So I must said I am here to say that you have to improve your English. You have to work on daily, a consistent basis. You have to learn more and more words. Listening more and more English will improve your vocabulary automatically. And you have to just analyze the activities and what are the areas you have been missing out. If you are not doing well in that area, you should be working on that. Your articulation, all other spellings, pronunciation. These are the activities you can work on. So I hopefully understand that you will going to master the interview and hopefully going to get the package. So now you can start the interview in front of me. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Rahul. I belong to Uttar Pradesh but currently live in Delhi. Uh, apart from my parents, in my family, I have two brothers and two sisters. I have two brothers and two sisters. I have done graduation from Indira Gandhi National Open University, and I am pursuing MBA from Indira Gandhi National Open University, and I have been working on the post of Assistant Store Manager in Blinkit Commerce Private Limited for 1 year. And I have a keen interest of reading books and playing cricket. Reading books gives me immense joy and pleasure. I have read so many books. There was Power of Subconscious Mind, Read That Poor Dad, Millionaire Fast Lane, and Kam Vasna. It was a book, Kam Se Ram Tag, Acharya Prashant's book. It was Osho's मैं मृत्यु सिखाता हूँ. I love reading books, whether it is English or English. I like to read a lot. That's why I have improved my communication as well. That are the essential part of my communication that I have done. And I was also wanted to recommend you to read book as much as possible, so that you can analyze the world around you, analyze the situation, analyze the mind. What is mind? How is the mind works? How are the mind's thoughts? Various thoughts can be centered in a way so that you can focus on a single goal. A single goal centric person you can be, and analyze your activities in the basis of those knowledge that you gather. If you are gathering good knowledge, that will be very good for you. Thank you very much.